They cannot talk. Nobody can talk. Shankaracharya is Mayavadam Asat-sastram Prachinnam Bautam Uchyate Mayyeva Kalpitam Devi Kalau Brahmana Rupani. Lord Shiva tells Parvati, I am being ordered by Lord Krishna to appear as Brahman and Kalpita and create Mayavad philosophy. I am God, you are God. This is told, this is nothing other than atheism. He's telling these are all atheists. Government is supporting Shankaracharya because Shankaracharya knows some politics. So that's why they are supporting original Shankaracharya says Bhaja Gopal. They will not Bhaja Gopal. They will not be chanting the They will not do that. They thought that original Shankaracharya was mad. He made 4 disciples. He made 4 seats in 4 quarters of India. And he laid down. He said, this is enough for me. I want to rest. These 4 people came and asked 4 questions. Who is the real God? Second disciple asked, which book to read? There are so many books. Which is the best book and which will give salvation? The third one asked, what is that mantra? We can chant or anybody can chant, get moksha. The fourth one asked, what is that service we must do, by doing which we can get moksha, blessings of God. 4 questions were asked and he's telling one sloka. He says, Eko Deva Devaki Putra. Only one God was Krishna. But because he knows these people, they misinterpret. Because so many people have Krishna names. Then he said, son of Devaki. Son of Devaki is only one Krishna. Your name can also be Krishna, but not son of Deva. Therefore, not you Krishna, but that Krishna. Eka Deva, there's only one God. And then, Eko Grantha, only one Grantha should be read. That is Bhagavad. He's telling. They're thinking, our Guru has gone crazy, mad. Because he's telling all the time, all his life, that you are God, I am God, God is zero, God is just a light, he's unborn, ajanma and all that. Whole life he is told like this, now he's telling like this, there's something wrong with him. So he said, Eko mantraha tasya namani. Chant only one mantra. That tasya nama means Krishna. Krishna is talking, Krishna is Deva. His book should be read, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavati. And his mantra in which his names are repeated. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Repeated. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Repeated. So, tasya namani yani karmapi dharmapi ekaha tasya deva sesha. Tasya means Krishna again. Do devotional service to him. Only one thing. Ekaha. Only one thing you should do in your lifetime. That is bhakti. Oh, our Guru has gone crazy. So he says, O Parvati, Lord Shiva says, I will incarnate as Brahman, take sannyas. And produce Mayavad Shastra. Mayavad means atheism. Mayavadam Asat Shastra. Sat Shastram లేదు. Asat Shastra. This is Padma Purana. 5,000 years ago, Vyas Maharishi wrote. Slokas don't come in my house. I don't produce in the kitchen. Mayavadam Asat Shastram. Sat Shastram ledu Shankaracharya. I talk like this everywhere. No Shankaracharya comes to me to refute this. Everywhere in Kumbh Mela and Haridwar is Mayavad place. Haridwar, Rishikesh is total Mayavad place. No Vaishnavas are there. Banaras is total Mayavad place. No Vaishnavas they live there. I talk like this in the speakers. Mayavadam Asat Sastram. Tell me, how is your Shastra? It's Sat. Sat means true. Your Shastra, your preaching is all untrue. Lord Shiva speaks that to Parvati. Prachinnam Bauddha Muchyate. It is actually Buddhism. Buddhism is atheism. It is actually hidden atheism. Mayeva Kalpitam Devi. Lord Shiva says, oh Devi, it is me. Kalpitam means Kalpita Shastra. Speculation. Not true. It's now evidence in the scriptures. This is it. They are politicians, bunch of politicians sitting there. They talk politics. Swami not supposed to talk about nation. Supposed to talk about your liberation. Why talk politics? What is this doing Muslim and Hindu fightings and all that they are involved in? This party, that party supporting, that is not Swami's business. Swami's business is how you receive a liberation, how I can get liberated. Swami is supposed to perform tapasya, austerities, Shastra Chintanam, Puja, Seva, directing everybody to Krishna. That is Swami's business. You go out of Swami's business, you get criticized. People criticize Ramdev Baba, put him in the handcuffs, tie him in the jailhouse. Why they have to do that? That is not business of Swami. A donkey should not do dog's job. Dog's job is to do dog's job. If you are not dog, don't do dog's job. That is spiritual. I mean, that.
Then why did Shiva do this?
I tell you this now. See, that is the way to talk. See? If you ask questions like this, all your doubts will be removed. You will become like these multimillionaires became devotee. Whole house is devotion. Whole house is a temple. These very rich people, double Tata and Birla, very rich Americans. Why Lord Shiva did this? Lord Krishna ordered him to do that. He's telling us. He's telling Parvati. He's telling, I am being ordered to take birth as a Brahmin, take sannyas and do Kalpita Shastra. He's telling. Why Lord Krishna ordered him to do that? Because before Shankaracharya appeared 1300 years ago. 7th century. 7th century. 7th century. 7th century. But Lord Buddha appeared 2,500 years ago. Earlier. 2,500 now. 2,500 years. 2,500 years ago. Lord Buddha appeared. So Lord Buddha criticized Vedas. Because Brahmins misunderstood Vedas and killing cows, animals, and even human beings, and chopping them swaha swaha and giving them prasad.
Yes.
Giving as prasad. So they misunderstood the Vedas. It is not said like that in the Vedas. So Lord Krishna incarnated as Buddha to criticize Vedas. Criticizing Vedas, ignoring Vedas means they are atheists. So whole India became Buddhist because it prevailed all over India. Buddha is incarnation of Krishna, anything he spoke. The people accepted, they all became against Vedas, they became Ahinsavadi Buddhists. And everybody in India became Buddhists. Lord Krishna decided, okay, now everybody is not following Vedas, misunderstood Vedas. Now there is no more misunderstanding left. Let me go slowly develop them. So he told Sankara, you go there as a Brahmin, take sannyas and preach about Vedas. Then, but Kalpita Shastra. You go Kalpita Shastra. Produce your own speculation and tell them. So people can accept Vedas. So he came, no. Vedas are not bad. Vedas are good. Let me tell you what. God is in you, God is in me. I realize that I am God. You have not yet realized, therefore you think you are not God, but actually you are God. Advaita. Yes. Advaita means Mayavada. See, so you go and tell this. So he came down and started speaking this. best devotee of Lord Krishna. The topmost devotee among this creation, among everybody, is Lord Shiva. The topmost devotee. Vaishnavanam yathasham. Yatha Nadinam Ganga. Among all the rivers, Ganges is the best. Similarly, among all devotees, Lord Shiva is the best. The best devotee. As he is a devotee, Lord Shiva, incarnated as a Brahmin to preach orders of Lord Shiva, or orders of Lord Krishna. As Mayavad philosophy, I am God, you are God, but he is a devotee by nature. So he at the end said, See, so that happened. After that came Ramanujacharya, 8th century. Ramanujacharya says, Advaita no, Advaita is not real. Vishishtadvaita. You are God, but you are not actually God. You are quality God.
Is also South?
Yes, also. Most of the acharyas are practically nobody is from north. No. Four acharyas are there. All are from south. Why they are not following devotion so much the right way? Because of Ravana's influence is also there. Little bit Ravana influence is there. Ravana was a disciple and devotee of Lord Shiva. So most of the people there, they follow Lord Shiva, even though there are very few original temples of Lord Shiva in the south. In the north, Badrinath, Kedarnath is there. Kedarnath is Lord Shiva. Amarnath is Lord Shiva. Muktinath is Lord Shiva. Pashupatinath, these are original temples. At the time of creation they came, they are built later on. 1,000 years, 500 years, 800 years, 2,000 years. Which are the temples? 5,000, 20,000, 100,000, million years, there are no temples. There are temples in the north, but they don't accept Lord Shiva to be totally as God. Even though preaching of Sankara went to the north also, they don't, all of them don't accept Lord Shiva to be the original God. But in the south, 99%. People think that. Why? Because of Pandits. Or I don't know how it happened. Influence of Ravana dynasty might be there. I think like that. I don't know. Not sure. Anything devotee is not sure, will tell. Is not sure. But what is sure, he will emphatically tell. Emphatic means by force. He will tell. It is true. This is 100 rupee note, and you will tell me it is true, it is 100 rupee note. Sir, I can fight with you in the court. It is not a paper, it is 100 rupee note. Why? Because you see the government stamp. So, then came Madhvacharya. No, you are not God. You cannot be God. It's impossible you can be God. Not possible. Because previously, Shankaracharya had told a drop of ocean carries the same quality. This drop of ocean is also ocean. Because it came out from ocean, it is ocean. So the Vishishtadvaita said, no, it is drop, it is ocean. Even though it is come out from ocean, but it's not ocean, it is drop, he said. Madhvacharya came, no, it is not ocean, he says. And drop cannot be compared with the soul because it's all dead matter. This is spirit soul, a life. This is a life body, this is a dead matter. Ocean drop is dead. It is matter, it is life. You cannot compare. You came with a force. So two fingers, it's impossible. You can never become God, you are never God. It's not possible. See, slowly developing Indian philosophy, slowly developing the patterns. First, misunderstood everything by Buddha. Buddha came. Vedas were misunderstood.
Buddha is also incarnation.
Yes, that's what it is. Buddha. Karanya Madhya, Karuna Prachar, Ahimsa Madhya, non-violence. So, Buddha came, made everybody non-violent. removed the Vedas. Shankaracharya came, established the Vedas, but preached
But that's not peace with God.
there is breathing of God. Came from the breathing of God. So then slowly developed by Ramanujacharya, saying that yes, but it is a drop, there is the ocean, there is a difference, he said. Even though there is quality same Uppunila, Kani, it is drop and that is ocean. He said, then Madhvacharya came, said like this, then came Nimbargacharya. Hey, you cannot do that. When you put that drop into the ocean, it don't become drop. It still remains a drop. Then came Vishnu Swami. No, don't worry, it's too much for you to understand. You follow Madhvacharya. Madhvacharya says, drop is dead matter, ocean is also dead matter, Supreme Lord is supreme life, and this living entity is a small life. Life can be compared with life, cannot be compared with the dead matter.
Swami Vishnu Brahman teaches man.
Okay, yes. Wonderful. Okay, wonderful. ఎవరైనా సరే వెళ్తారో ఇది పాటలు మీరు
విష్ణు ప్రభుని అడిగాను
Correct.
స్వామికి చెప్పమన్నాను
Correct.
రాజుగారు రిప్యుటేషన్ చేస్తాను
కరెక్ట్ మంచిది, మీకు చాలా బుద్ధి ఉంది, మీరు చేసుకోండి ప్రతిరోజు స్నానం. గోవిందేతి సదా స్నానం, గోవిందేతి సదా ధ్యానం, గోవిందేతి సదా జప, గోవిందేతి సదా స్నానం. వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ రియల్ philosophy స్నానం, కృష్ణ కథ, Krishna, science of Krishna. This Ganges is better. But because we are here, we can also go and dip inside. 24 hours there are 12 hours, sun is there. Anytime we can go and dip inside because Amrutam time finished yesterday. Now it's normal day every day. Become tree. You cannot see because it is inside the green leaves. Green parrot inside the green tree. Don't become tree. Life. Supreme life, individual life. Both are lives. The tree is a life, parrot is a life. Flow into the tree, never become tree. It can fly out again. But it became one in color.
Appears to be.
No, became one with color. Appears to be tree, but it's one with color. Similarly, we become one with God in purpose, but not God. Even though you cannot see the green parrot inside the tree is individually separate from the individual parrot, always remains separate. Similarly, if we go to the spiritual world, still we remain individual. For example, you have a typewriter in the office, your secretary is typing. Okay? Now you decided to go to the spiritual world. You take your typewriter with you. Typewriter don't become a human being there. It's already still a typewriter. Tuck, tuck, tuck. If you push button, it will do tuck. If you push another button, it will do tuck. That is his business. So similarly, our business is to love somebody and do service. I love your wife, therefore I do some service. Amma, kudi prasad denandi. Did you catch me? So this is service attitude and loving attitude. So we love Krishna there and serve. Because if you push the button, you will do tuck. Our duty is to love and to serve. So we do serve and we love.